Big or huge. The word big often refers to the size, whereas the word huge refers to appearance or shape. On some occasions, the word big is used to indicate actions. Sometimes, the word big is used in emotions. Moreover, big is used to indicate the sense elder. On the other hand, the word huge is used in the sense of large and enormous. Sometimes the word huge is used in the sense of very great. The noun form of the adjective huge is hugeness. On the other hand, the adjective big has the comparative and the superlative degrees in the words bigger and biggest. Sometimes the word big is figuratively used in the sense of something important and something significant. For example, I had a big lunch today. He made a big mistake. How big it is? This is my big sister, Carol. He is a big man. He met with a huge success. They live in a huge house. A huge number of people attended. Your help made a huge difference. A dancer of huge talent.